eye champions still on the size here, like the image size. So after the image size, I've changed it to 3005 by 3005. Then you tap on OK. Then the image, if you want any image, you see all these image templates are already on the Pixellab application, and it can only be used as the background. So if you tap on this is how it's gonna show. So like that. So then from gallery, if you have any image you want to use as background in your gallery, then you can actually go and import it. Let me see, like this now. From gallery, from camera, like taking a picture with your camera phone, with your own camera. Though my own phone camera is kind of I don't know, it's not clear at all, so I would have taken a picture then use it as a background. So that is that for the background. Then here, anything, these ones two are used for the background, only for the background. This rotate, as you can see the background, you see the way as I'm tapping and the rotate, the background is changing. So vintage, not vintage, vignette here, what is this one? So that is it. You can actually change the color here too. So that is that. The noise, if you enable it, that is it. So the stripes, as you can see, so that is it. The brightness too, as you can see. The contrast. So the hue actually changes the color of the background of anything you want to use hue for, to change the color. That is its own work. So and then the saturation, and as you can see, so that is that about Pixellab. So up here we have the here icon here is undo. Maybe if you have anything you've already done with your design that you don't like and you want to go back, you can always undo it. So this one is zoom. When you tap on it, so you can zoom in, you can zoom out. So here we have the grid. Yes, if you want to know maybe your designs are in the right position, so you can use the grid instead of using the text icon here, like all these we are going back to that. We'll be making use of that later. So this is the grid. Then here too, I will explain it later. Then this, so the plus button here, this plus button here, up here, then when you tap on it, it will bring the text and the rest. So the text, the sticker, the current date, the everything is going to bring it. So you tap again. The shapes, you already have explained this one before. Then the from gallery to from the gallery, so it will take you there, and you can always import whatever you want. So here the second, the one beside the plus button, when you tap on it, save as project and then save as image. If you want to save as project, then you can always come back to it later if you want to edit anything on it. So you can just write the project name and then you tap OK here. So once you do that, your design will show here in this my project. If you remember, this is my project here, then your design will show here. So after that one, we have the save as image. If you save as image, then it will show in your gallery. So when you want to save, this is the JPG, we are leaving that. This costume, we are changing it to ultra, then we save to gallery. So that is that. So this one is for sharing, this one is for the codes. I've explained to that earlier. And these three dots here, so use image from gallery, full screen. If you want to know how your design will look like after you finish designing and exporting, then you tap on the full screen. Sorry. Let's continue. So the use image from camera. Then if you want to export your image, that is when you want your image to save on your phone gallery. Then the image size and the rest. So that is that about the Pixellab application. It's actually very straightforward, like very straightforward. If you take your time and explore more from it, so and explore more on it rather. So That is that. Have a nice day.